spread it around here. I'll just use this easier. Just cover your canvas. So I've been watching a lot of YouTube videos, getting a lot of great ideas, so it's really why, you know, I want to give back a little bit and just show some people who have asked me how I did this last one. So, and I'm sure I'm not the only one who's done it. I'm sure it's been done before, but considering I had a lot of people asking me, they wanted to see a video on it. So I'm just spreading the white pretty nice and try to get it flat. Looks like this was a little thicker than I'd like it. That's all right. Kind of cover your sides. Tilting the white just to make it even. Sorry about that. Next time I'll just do the white. Have it all done. If I do it all. Okay. Alright. Just making sure my ends, my sides are pretty covered. I can always go back and touch that up later. It's the beauty of this art. You can kind of make mistakes and go back and fix it. Okay. Alrighty. So now that my white's down, so I was trying to think of how to do this. The other one I just dipped the chain in each color, but I kind of want to make it like rainbow, like not just one twist. I want the whole twist to be rainbow. So I'm going to try something. I don't know if it's going to work or not. But so I have a pan here, and I just put wax paper down. I really didn't have to do that either, but I just thought for an even surface. So what I'm going to do with my pan is I'm going to take each color. I probably should have done this before I put my white down, but that's okay. So I'm going to take each color and just go like this. Okay, a little bit too much there, I think, but that's all right. They're all going to kind of go into one another anyway. Okay, so there's my rainbows, my rainbow, and here's my string for my chain. And when I did it last time, I kind of you hold two ends like this, and then you're going to twist. So I'm going to hold the two ends. I'm just going to that down in there, and then probably with a clean stick I'll just kind of go over. It's probably easier dipping. It's alright, just get it all in there. It's all, like I said, it's rainbow, so we'll see how this comes out. That's better. Okay. So here goes nothing. Oh, see? It's all right. is why you never know what's gonna happen. It's all, that's all right. It's gonna be covered with that anyway. All right. So get your sides. And I'm just gonna lay it in the middle for now. Let it sit there for a second. And I'm gonna twist. So there's one. Okay. So now you have to kind of clean off your string or your chain. Just a little bit. Because now you have white on there. And I'm going to do that again. And just twirl it around. Okay, and this time I'm going to do it over here. Cleaning off my chain. Let's go one more time. And just twirling it. You know, it's just fun to do different things. You know, I like the straight pours, but sometimes they get just, they almost start to look alike. That was a big one. And there's no right or wrong here. I mean, it's just fun. That's a little too much. Leave the white on this time just to see what happens. So I didn't use any silicone. I'm still getting a lot of cells, as you can see. Kind of wondering. I didn't get any cells with the metallics. But anyway. So then you just want to kind of overlap a little bit to give it a little bit more like interest and depth. That's what I liked about the other one, it almost looked three-dimensional. But it's kind of a neat, you know, different technique. Gives it a little different look than just the string, pulling the string down. I think I'd probably like this just on a black background a little bit better. But and maybe just do like black and white or it's different. Just let's take a step back and check it out before I scrape it. No, before I, you know, decide whether I really like it or not. It's kind of out of my comfort zone. I normally do a lot of beachy themes. Yesterday I did this one, and I like to add, I leave the bottom and I'm going to add sand and shells and stuff like that, and this is normally what I kind of do. You know, so rainbow usually isn't really my forte, but this is kind of neat. I mean, different. I might want to go back in with the chain here and just twist it a little bit more because I don't really like that big pop of white there, and I could probably just do it like this. It's a little bit tilt it a little bit just to see what happens. Oops, sorry. I mean, I kind of like this. This is kind of different. It's fun. I'm going to tilt it a little bit just to kind of get some movement. Sorry, you can't really see what I'm doing, I know. But I like it, sometimes like it when it goes over the sides. Just a little. Like this I really like right here. Right in there. There we go. Turn it back. So that is the chain twist. A little different. You could do a lot of different things with it. I think, like I said, I think maybe monotone, maybe white and black, black on white, white on black, or even just like maybe black with like some hot pink and white would look really cool. I just wanted to try the rainbow to see how it would come out, but I just really wanted to show you the technique And that's probably about it. I'll bring it up one more time for you to see it. If you can see that. So that's kind of cool right there. See? Yeah. I don't know. Always looking for a different way of painting or trying this fluid art. So anyway, thanks for watching, and if you liked my video and you want to see some more, hit like and subscribe, and I can maybe put some more videos up here for you. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye bye.